Introduction: Building credit reports for unlimited funding. Building a credit report can seem overwhelming, especially when you're unsure where to begin. In this guide, you will learn actionable steps to add the right accounts, remove unnecessary ones, and create a credit profile that can unlock unlimited funding opportunities. The focus will be on what lenders value most, the details within your credit report. By applying these strategies, you can access the funding needed to invest in your business or personal ventures effectively. Understanding credit reports and trade lines. A credit report is a detailed history of your financial interactions with credit issuers. Trade lines, or accounts listed on your report, reveal how you manage credit. These trade lines provide lenders with insight into your reliability, including payment history, account types, and credit utilization. It's important to focus on maintaining positive trade lines and avoiding accounts that no longer benefit you, such as those that have stopped reporting to credit bureaus. Why credit scores aren't everything. Contrary to popular belief, credit scores are not the primary factor in credit approval. Lenders prioritize the content of your credit report over the score itself. For instance, someone with a lower credit score but a strong credit history may secure approvals that a high scorer with a weak report might not. Understanding this dynamic is key to building a report that supports your goals. Setting the foundation, accounts that stand the test of time. To build a durable credit report, prioritize accounts that will remain active and continue reporting over time. Avoid outdated advice, such as relying on accounts like My Jeweler's Club, which no longer report to credit bureaus. Instead, select accounts that add stability, increase credit age, and enhance your profile's overall appeal. Boosting credit age and data points. Credit age is a significant factor in your creditworthiness. By strategically adding accounts with backdated payment history, you can effectively increase the age of your credit report. Focus on data points, specific criteria lenders use to evaluate your credit report, such as payment history, account age, and credit utilization. Essential accounts to add to your credit report. Grow Credit, a platform that allows you to link your bank account and build credit using subscriptions like gym memberships. It's a vetted tool featured by reputable sources and reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Self-Lender, a secured loan program that reports positive payment history while returning the loan amount at the end of the term. It's an excellent option for establishing credit without hard inquiries. Rental accounts, e.g., RentTrack, Rent Reporters, Rental Karma, BoomPay. These services report your rent payments to credit bureaus, often retroactively for up to 2 years, increasing your credit history and boosting your score. Kickoff and other secured credit cards. These cards offer a straightforward way to establish credit by providing a fixed limit based on your bank deposits, with no hard inquiries required. Improving credit utilization and managing debt. Adding high-limit accounts can lower your credit utilization ratio, a key factor in boosting your credit score. By managing these accounts responsibly, you can demonstrate your ability to handle larger credit limits, making you a more attractive borrower. The power of trade lines. Trade lines, especially those with high limits and long histories, can significantly enhance your credit report. Authorized user accounts, where you are added to someone else's credit card, can temporarily boost your report. However, ensure you work with trustworthy providers and secure your account details. Removing negative items and simultaneously adding positive accounts. To achieve optimal results, work on removing negative items from your credit report while adding positive accounts. Use dispute letters for erroneous items and focus on timely payments for all active accounts. This dual approach ensures that your score improves steadily. Making money with good credit. Having good credit opens the door to earning opportunities. For example, you can monetize your credit by allowing others to become authorized users on your credit cards, without giving them spending access. Platforms like Tradeline Supply facilitate these transactions, offering a passive income stream for responsible credit holders. Conclusion: Unlocking financial freedom. Building a strong credit report is a powerful step toward financial independence. By understanding the accounts that matter, managing data points, and maintaining positive trade lines, you can unlock unlimited funding and investment opportunities. Remember to monitor your credit regularly and make informed decisions to sustain long-term financial growth.